Welcome to all of you in the course Entrepreneurship Development and the Business Communication. We are going to see the communication skills for the entrepreneurship. In the previous lecture, we will discuss about the writing skills. The communication is the process by which messages are transferred from the source to receiver. This is the definition given by the Rogers and Shoemaker. Communication skills. What do you mean by communication skills? So communication skills are the abilities you use when giving and receiving the different types of information. Communication skills involves the listening, speaking, observing and empathizing. Okay. The types of the communication skills: writing skill, reading skill, listening skills, speaking skills, non-verbal and the verbal skills. The first is the writing skills. The entrepreneur is required to make the correspondence to the supplier, technicians, consumers and many such other people for running and managing his business. He has also to produce the technical and non-technical reports for the use by the public, financing and the supporting organizations. The entrepreneur should remember the 8 C's of the written communication. In that, first one is the correctness. First skill is the correctness, means the accuracy in writing about the any aspects of the enterprise. Second one, clarity. The writing should be simple and clear. Third one is the conclusion. Writing should be brief and precise. It should lead to the clear conclusion. Then context, means the text should be very clear. Then content of this writing should be brief, precise. Then capability, then courtesy and the completeness. The writing should be complete. Then next skill is the reading skills. Reading skill. That's the entrepreneur should have the reading skill as good as that of the writing skills, because he has to read the letters, reports and the instructions from supporting organizations. There are different reading style like word reading, sentence reading and the concept reading. Rapid reading skill should be developed so as to save the time of the entrepreneur. Next skill is the speaking skill. The speaking skills for entrepreneur are necessary for the conducting meeting, organizing the group discussions, making the presentations in seminar and the workshops. Oral communication refers to not only the use of the spoken language, facial expression, gestures and voice manipulation in terms of the intensity, pitch and tone. An effective oral communication lasts impression of the message in the mind of the listener. Oral communication is important while you are attend any meeting, workshop, seminar or the conference. Oral communication plays an important role in your speaking skills. The next one is the listening skill. The entrepreneur should be a good listener in order to acquire the knowledge, skills, right attitude and other virtues. A good listener's mind alert, which reflects through his face and the posture. He also shows interest by questions and the comments. Developing and improving the ability to listen is imperative in the oral communication. Good listening is necessary for the good speaking. The next one is the non-verbal skills. What is the difference between the verbal and the non-verbal? Verbal means we are using the words for the communication. called as a verbal communication, and non-verbal communication means there is no use of any words. This includes message expressed by non-linguistic means to attract and hold the attention. One must make appropriate use of the gestures, eye contact, smile, enthusiasm, appropriate dress, time, and distance. It has been observed that non-verbal communication dominates the verbal communication because the people are eye-minded rather than the air-minded. Thank you. This is all about the communication skills for the entrepreneurship. Thank you.